In this video, I'll show the InDesign script image names. The script labels placed graphics with their file name. I'll demonstrate the script in Mac OS. It works the same on Windows. The script works on an existing document. Here I have a layout of placed graphics and empty text frames that I've already set up. The images are mock portraits that I've numbered to better show the text matches the images. The text is on one layer, and the placed graphics on another. For the script to work correctly, these have to be the same number of elements across and down. Anything not part of the grid of graphics and text must be on other layers. This headline, for example, is on a third layer. The text frames don't have to be empty. Whatever their contents, it is replaced. It's a good idea to have a paragraph style applied to the text frames. Then it's easy to adjust the font and size later. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script, Image Names. Double-click to run it. The interface has two drop-down lists. One to select the layer of placed graphics, another to select the layer of text frames. Layer 1 with the headline we'll ignore. Enable the checkbox Name without extension to omit the file extension. Click OK to begin. The script looks for all placed graphics on the selected layer, then all text frames. The elements are sorted by page, then across and down. For each graphic, the nearby text frame is updated to the file name. I'll zoom in to confirm some of these. As you can see, each graphic is labeled with the correct name. Now suppose some graphics are updated to other files. Run the script again, and the text is replaced. And there we have the updated file name. This layout is one big page, like a poster. The script also works for multi-page documents. Also, in this document, the images and text are on the same layer. This works so long as the text frames are really text frames. If they're rectangles, the script confuses them for graphics. This time, select the same layer for both. And there are correct file names for graphics spanning pages. The third example demonstrates that text frames don't have to be below the graphics. Here, the text frames are to the right. As long as the graphics and text frames are arranged in a consistent grid, it works. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. All suggestions are welcome. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.